Focus on the process, not just the outcome. This principle highlights the importance of emphasizing the process of trading and following a well-defined strategy rather than solely fixating on the immediate outcome of individual trades. Here's a broader explanation. In trading, it's common for traders to become overly focused on the profits or losses of each trade. This short-term perspective can lead to emotional reactions and impulsive decision-making. Instead, successful traders adopt a more comprehensive approach. They understand that trading is about executing a well-thought-out plan consistently over time. Focusing on the process means paying attention to the following. Trading plan. Traders have a carefully crafted plan that outlines their strategy, entry and exit rules, risk management, and goals. This plan guides their actions and decisions. Risk management. Managing risk is an integral part of the trading process. This includes setting appropriate position sizes, using stop-loss orders, and diversifying your portfolio. Discipline. Successful traders adhere to their trading plan and rules consistently, regardless of short-term outcomes. They avoid impulsive actions and emotional responses to market fluctuations. Continuous learning. Traders view each trade as an opportunity to learn and improve. They maintain a trading journal to analyze their decisions and identify areas for enhancement. By focusing on the process, traders can detach themselves from the emotional roller coaster of individual trades. They understand that in the short term, outcomes may vary, but in the long term, following a disciplined and well-defined process is more likely to lead to consistent profitability. This approach also helps traders maintain a more even emotional keel. They don't become overly elated when a trade is profitable or excessively despondent when it results in a loss. Instead, they remain committed to their strategy, make necessary adjustments based on their continuous learning, and keep their eyes on their long-term trading goals. In summary, focusing on the process in trading is about prioritizing a disciplined and systematic approach over short-term results. It's a mindset that fosters consistency and resilience, making it more likely to achieve success in the financial markets over time.